Hey guys, it's Vishwesh and today we're going to be looking at how to connect ESP32 to the internet. So in order to do that, we're going to be using ThingSpeak, which is a website for IoT projects. It helps in data collection and analyzing the data so that we can see the results in pretty graphs and make sense of it. So for this we're going to also be using the DHT11 sensor, the temperature and humidity sensor, and read the values of the temperature and humidity from the surrounding area and send it to ThingSpeak's cloud database. So and we are going to do all of this using the ESP32. So let's just set up ThingSpeak database first. As you can see, I'm on the site for ThingSpeak, thingspeak.com. I've already logged in, so this is my home page. I'll go to channels and I'll create a new channel where the data will be stored. I'll give name anything I can give it. I'll just give it DHT11. There's no need to write any description. Okay, the fields are very important. Let's set the field name 1 to humidity and field 2 to temperature, because we're going to be sending those two data. And no need to fill any of this, just save your channel. Your channel has been saved, so you can see already two charts have been found, but there's no data in those charts because we haven't sent any data yet. So what we do is we hop onto the Arduino code and we just see I've written the Arduino code already. We can see that I use the Wi-Fi client, library, and the HTTP client and the DHT library. So we defined the DHT type as DHT11. Just do the normal setup stuff for the Wi-Fi, and also save the URL at which we're going to be posting requests as in the variable called ThingSpeak. And yeah, we're going to be taking the output of the DHT on pin number 4, so we have also set that. We set up the the ESP32 and also set up the Wi-Fi. After that we just tell the DHT to begin. In the main loop we read the humidity and temperature from the DHT11 on an interval of 5000 milliseconds, which is 5 seconds, and we send it to the ThingSpeak using the API, and the API key is here, which we'll get it from our channel's API keys. Okay, yeah, we'll get the API from ThingSpeak. Yeah, it's the right API key. Let's copy it and paste it over here and put in AND. Yeah. And in the parameters we're going to be sending field 1 as humidity in string form and field 2 as temperature in string form. We're just going to send a GET request with those parameters, and yes, we're going to be ending each and every time and give a delay of 5000 seconds. So this goes on and on, and let's just upload this to check it. It's compiling. Yeah, it's compiled. It's now uploading. It has successfully uploaded, and we can check the serial monitor now. The serial monitor should have data printed. Let's just reset the ESP32 so we can see it from the start. See, it's connected to the Wi-Fi network, and it sends the request in this fashion with field 1 and field 2 as parameters, and we can see the response code as 200, which means that the response the request has been successful. So we should start seeing some changes in the graph on the ThingSpeak channel. Let's go there. Let's go to the graph view. As you can see, now lines have been drawn, like the data points have been visualized on the graph. If we leave it for some more time, it's gonna change and it's gonna update the graphs in real time, as you can see any moment now. Yeah, so that is how you connect your ESP32 to the internet using ThingSpeak and also take readings on DHT11. So as you can see, we have connected the ESP32 to our laptop right now, and the DHT11 is connected to the ESP32. We're giving a 3.3 volt supply to the DHT11 as well as ground, and taking the output and feeding it to data pin 4, as you can see on the screen here, D4. So that's how the hardware works, and you can see the live updates on my laptop screen right now.